A woman is a full circle. She has the power to create, nurture, and transform even in the harshest of environment. Only if she starts to believe. I live my life as a mission that can someday inspire and be a vision for someone. I have learned that life is not a bed of roses but comes with its own thorns of self-doubt and uncertainty. But the fruit of hard work and dedication amidst the chaos is the sweetest. Hello and Namaste. My name is Kritika Walia and I am a proud finalist of Mrs. India Queen of Substance 2026. I belong to the vibrant cosmopolitan capital of our country, Delhi. I am a strong and independent woman, but I am very grounded to my roots and culture. Gratitude is my spirit of living. My biggest blessing in life is my family. I am married to the most amazing and supportive person who is a VP in financial sector, and I am a proud mother. My father is a retired welfare government officer. My role model in life is my mother, who is a true meaning of women empowerment for me. Being a professor and a prominent Hindi literature writer, she is not only a source of inspiration for me because she is my mother, but have learned from her that women has the power to do it all gracefully and still be the most kind and gentle human being. I try to strike balance in whatever I do and try to accomplish all my passions and responsibilities with poise at heart. Professionally, I am working as an assistant professor in Delhi. I am an MBA in Marketing and HR and Masters in Economics. My interests include reading good literature, writing my thoughts, and anchoring on stage. Books for me has been a constant source of inspiration. Thus, one of the dreams come true for me was when I authored my first novel, The Rubber Stamp. I fulfilled my interest of anchoring in TV by hosting many episodes of show aired on DD National. Those were the days I learned the most in my life and gained interest in beautifying my life and living my life's passion no matter what. So I decided to honor myself by fulfilling what I am most passionate about, and that is beauty and portrayal of woman in her best version. This intrigued me to participate in beauty pageant someday in my life. When I was going through the website of Mrs. India Queen of Substance, I loved and felt inspired by the portrayal of women in such a confident avatar. This resonated with my values and inspired me, and I decided to participate. Though the final push was the unwavering support of my husband and mother, that I finally decided to live my passion of stage performance. For me, this journey of participation in the pageant is of self-recapitulation and rediscovery. During the tenure of preparation, I have found many beautiful memories that I had forgotten and many new arenas that I had overlooked in my busy life. Last but not the least, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to the founder directors of MIQS, Mrs. Ritika Vinay and Mr. Vinay Yadava, HCWA, philanthropy partner, and team Mrs. India MIQS for creating such a profound platform that gives an immense opportunity for women of all ages and without any quantitative criteria that defines beauty to showcase their abilities and talent. Maya Angelou said, "When you stand for yourself, you stand for every woman." I want to take this opportunity through the wide platform provided by MIQS to quote my vision of wisdom over perfection. I want to spread the message of self-love and worth, which is getting opaque in the noise of social media standards. I want to remind everyone, especially women and young girls, that how important it is to be nice and proud of yourself. Only by being true to your identity, you can nurture the generation ahead with true focus and compassion. You will never know that what you are capable of until you dare yourself. So come out and show the world your magic. Trust your abilities and don't let anyone say otherwise. I treasure who I am and the world shall witness it. Namaskar.